like to see pictures, you can always go on Facebook. People can see. Oh, isn't that cute?
It's really cute. My mom's allergic to elephants. We can't have an elephant. My mom's allergic to elephants. Wait, look at the elephant.
I want to introduce Chris Nanda from the Riverview Park Community Association. He's the president. I want to introduce Marty Koshman from Ottawa Train Yards and David Gourley from the Ottawa Champions. I certainly want to thank especially Marty Koshman and our main sponsor, the Ottawa Train Yards. He deserves a great round of applause. Prize for an Ottawa Champions gift pack.
The suspense builds. All right. Everyone got their ticket out? 507-192.
Everybody for coming out today. And now, I'll attract your attention over to the pool area where we'll get a hilarious final act with the two cow guys. And we hope you enjoy it. Thank you for coming out.
You ready?
Just one last thing. Just lean forward and kiss your butt goodbye. All right.
Okay, we're pretty much there. All right, one. Wayne, you're looking great. You're doing an awesome job. Get a little closer. 2, 1.